Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing well. So in this video today we'll see how you can go live of your YouTube video and you can play that live in a so you see here there is a video how to live stream 24 by 7 on YouTube pre-recorded video live channel monetize. So you see here it is sending here this is not a free one, but of course you can go for creating a free application. I have already created, you just have to use that one. So if you come up here, if you sign up, and I just sign up by going through the video of this particular person, and if you come up here to go live stream, and if you add, it is asking for the money here. You see this amount of money it is asking on the stream data, but I'm not going to use this one. So I have created a Python application at my own, and you see here, and currently it is already in the live. You see it's already live streaming I'm doing here. Let me come to that which video I have done the stream, and you see this is the one video I have just live stream here through this one. So what is the feature basically it will have? So the first thing you'll require is you'll have this URL you will have, then the stream key you will have to paste here. Okay, so from here you will get, so stream settings you will get this one. So this is the stream URL you will have to basically put here. Then you'll have the stream key. So stream key basically you will get when you will have you create a stream here. So I just created a stream here. Then you see here you need to copy this particular key and you'll have to paste here. Okay, and once you save change, you are done with the server set. Now, so he's already pre-recorded video. You have to go live. You'll have to paste the URL here basically. So you see, I have added this particular video that is currently in the process here, and you see it is in the live from last. You see 47.40. It's more than 47 minutes. You say it's in live, and you also see the process here. Okay, so it is currently in stream in live. And once you add a video here, it is going to take some of the time, let's say 2-3 minutes to adjust everything. And then you'll have this start stream button enabled for you. Okay. So this is all you can go. And this is of cost, free of cost. But for this one, you need to have a laptop. And I will paste here the blog link, my blog link. You can easily go through that. And integrity is a Google ID for AI. You just paste here. You'll be pasting only the URL and you say here just install and launch me the code, and it will launch you through this particular link. And you just open here. You see, I have just opened only that one. So the same thing will be applicable in your case. So you can try this at your end, and of course it is just free. And you see here it is charging you for the days or the week, but that is all free here in your case. Okay, so this is all from this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.